Hello everyone. So now we are going to learn that how to interface our Arduino board with a LED in Tinkercad. So first of all, whenever you will open Tinkercad, you have to go in the circuits tab and there you have to click on create a new circuit. Then this window will appear in front of you. So here there are all the electronic components which are available. Here you can see. Here you can change the type also, means if you want all the components, here you will get all the components which all are available on the Tinkercad. So from here you can choose one. So now in today's video we are going to learn about how to interface a LED with our Arduino board, Arduino Uno, which is available in Tinkercad. So first of all I will take one Arduino board. Now I will take one LED. You just have to left click and you have to drag them on the display. So now we are done with our we have taken all the parts which are needed right now. So first we will see that how to interface our LED with power pins which are 5 volt and GND, or 3.3 volt and GND, but I will advise to use 5 volt only, because with 3.3 volt the intensity will be very less, and with 5 volt we have to add a resistor, but with 3.3 volt the intensity will be very less. So here in cathode, first I will drag a wire from cathode. You have to left click on the position and I will paste on GND. I can also change the color of the wire. I will make it black, as it is a cathode, it's a negative terminal, so black is the SI color for it. And then second wire I will take it from anode, and I will take it till 5 volt. So I will make this wire red. So now we have connected our LED with our Arduino board. Now let us test that does it really work. So the anode pin which is there given on our LED, that has to be connected to 5 volt because it is a positive pin, and the cathode is a negative pin, so we have to connect it to GND, and the potential difference between 5 volt and GND is 5 volt, so our Arduino gives 5 volt voltage to our LED. So now let's start the simulation. To start you have to click on this start simulation button. So as you can see, it is showing a warning that the current, it's more current is going inside our LED, and our LED has bursted here. So now what will we do? So we have to reduce the current. So to reduce the current we will require a resistor. So I will take a resistor. From here I will drag it, and so it is a 1 kilo ohm resistor. You can also change the size of the resistor from 1 kilo ohm to mega ohm, giga ohm, anything, but I think 1 kilo ohm is perfect right now to use. So I will connect one terminal of our resistor with anode, and another terminal I will connect it to our 5 volt pin, as I mentioned earlier, because our anode is a positive pin. So now let's check does our circuit really work. So now let me start. Yes, it is working. So in this way we can interface our LED with our Arduino by using power pins. Now let us check that how to interface our LED and Arduino by using digital pins, and how can we control the our LED. So for that we first have to change the connections. So we have to delete this wire. I will delete this wire, and from here I will take one more wire and I will connect it to any digital pin you can connect. I am connecting it to D0, but you can connect it to any digital pin whichever is present on our board. Now I will code it. So first you have to open block plus text, means whatever is compatible for you. You can also use block, you can also use text window, it's nothing like that. So now I will change the code. So here this is a primary code which they have given already. So now I will change this code, and so we have to go into the text window, I think, for changing the code. So now I will change the code over here, and I have connected to 0 number pin, so I will write 0. You have to write whichever number pin you have connected. So let me explain you the code. So first of all, what we have done is that in the void setup we have given the pin mode. So as we all know that our LED is an output device, so in pin mode I have declared that on 0 number pin I have connected an output device which is my LED, and in the loop, so in the loop whatever the code we will write, it will be in the infinity loop. Okay, so till the time we don't stop the simulation or we don't stop the circuit, this code will go on whatever we have written in the loop. So 0 is high, means pin number 0 means our LED will be high. High is that it will be on, and it delay 1000. 1000 is in milliseconds, so I have written 1000, which means 1 second. And again digital write low. So I am showing you how the blinking of the LED, how we will do it in 1 second. So now I will close this code window and I will again start the simulation. So you can see our LED is blinking. So in this way we can connect it to our digital pin. In digital pins we only have two outputs, on or off, or we can say 0 and 1. If we'll connect LED to our analog pin, then we can also control the intensity of our LED. We will see it in our next video, how to control the intensity of our LED and buzzer and many other output devices also. You will also find all other technical videos related to Tinkercad and other electronic stuffs on this channel. So please subscribe this channel, like this channel and share this video. And you can also increase the delay between by just changing this 1000. And the whole code is based on Arduino C. So while coding it on physical hardware, you have to use Arduino IDE, and in that also same code will work. And it is very basic code. It is written in C++ or Arduino C also it is called. So in this way we can interface our LED with our Arduino Uno and on Tinkercad. So I have also created one more video on how to open your Tinkercad account and how to open this editor's window. So you can watch that video and I will give the link in the description. So thank you.